Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Glory Reveche Vlogs. Tonight we will be doing guedilles au crevette. Guedilles au crevette, it's a French word for sandwich roll with shrimps. So what our ingredients here is we have here my ingredients. Sour cream, 1/2 cup, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and we have here what's this, onion spice, yes, and we have bell pepper, two, red and orange and yellow, and we have cucumber, onion, and of course shrimp and Roman lettuce salad, and of course our hot dog bread. So now we will start to mix the cream first, the onion, this onion spice, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Yes, so our sour cream. I will separate this one because maybe we can, if it's a lot, we can use this one also as a dip sauce if you have like you want to eat fresh cucumber. Yeah, you can dip in here. It's a dip. In French, dip is trumpet. Yeah. And our 3 tablespoons of onion spice. And I will add some sriracha so that we will have what's that, spice flavor. So we'll just mix this one, guys. Oh, what is that? So it looks like already done. So our cream is already mixed and it's really yummy. So now we will put our salad. We will just mix all the salad like that, guys. And here our onion, just one onion I'll do, and this one some for coloring, the bell pepper. Yeah. Yeah, just for coloring. Okay, and our cucumber. And of course our shrimp. This is a cooked shrimp here. So now I have a lot. Mix a lot. And then we will add this we will add this our like sauce. As you see, I'm not adding all because maybe we have enough. Actually, the shrimp is little only. I think I will add. It's depend of you if you want to have a lot of shrimp, guys. It's really depends of you. And you know, this is the bread that I buy this morning when I walk. So we have to put here. It's already sliced. All of this stuff here. So that is guedilles or sandwich in French, like a Subway. I like more sauce, so I will add all of this sauce. Maybe I will leave some, a little bit. And I will add some shrimp, guys, because we have only little shrimp. I think, yeah. Yeah, we have only little, as you can see. The shrimp is not so clear. So I will add more shrimp. I will get some shrimp. So here's our shrimp. I will just cut it like that. This already cooked. Yeah. We will cut it big like that. I will add it all, guys. Yeah, bigger cuts so that we can taste the taste of the shrimp. And we're done. And then we will mix our guedille. I think the 1 cup cream is perfect. We will add it all. I will add it all, guys. Yeah, it's really good. I will add it all. Yeah, for this recipe it's perfect. It's a little bit spicy. The sweetness of the mayonnaise, I use light mayonnaise here, the Miracle Whip. Yeah, it's the one I use. And then you toast it. You just mixed. So now, guys, we will stuff the shrimp salad into our hot dog bread. It's like that, only the guedille. It's like a Subway. It's really...
Seals, this one.
Huh? I think it's mine. You want more shrimp?
Because meat? No.
Okay,
No. Me, I put in the microwave first.
Put first the bread in the microwave, guys. I think without the bread, I can eat this salad. Yeah, it's just here you need some bread. So, guys, it's my husband who he's the one doing his recipe, his sandwich. Actually, yes, I forgot, in the what's that? In Subway, you need to reheat the bread. You see, they put in a oven. So heat the bread first before adding some stuff. Now it's easy for my husband, very easy, because the bread is soft. So yeah, the thing I did not think, really, my husband, guys, is a really good cook also. He likes to cook, the French Canadian cuisine. Oh, it's done. You want to eat now? Okay, bon appetit. Thank you, guys, for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe, comments, share, and likes. Thank you. God bless us all. Bye bye.